Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Eggman mech suit from the new Sonic 2 movie. Now this is the mech suit that Dr. Robotnik creates and builds after he takes power of that green crystal. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Eggman mech robot, we're going to begin with the head. We want to start right here, and we're just going to begin by making a line that's going to come up and down for the top of the head. Then we'll just draw a line across to connect it. I make it curved just a little bit. Starting right here, let's make a line that's going to come up. We're going to leave some space, and then we'll make another line that's going to come up here. We'll curve the top of each one to form the eyebrows right here. Right here we'll make a little partial circle for each eye. We'll make a little sad face right here with a little line that's going to come down and then up for the nose. For the mustache, let's draw a line that's going to come out right underneath the eye. And we'll do that same thing here. We're just going to go right underneath the eye. We're going to go down, in and out, and then down again. And then same thing here. We're going to go down, we're going to go in and out, and then down. I'm going to bring this line back up here, and we'll bring this one right to here. Now this right here is going to be the mouth. So all we want to do is just draw a couple little lines down just to kind of show where the teeth would be. We'll draw a little line across the top for some detail. And then I'll make another little line here and one right up here. Now for the body. Let's go ahead and draw a line that comes down on each side. We're going to curve this in just a little bit. And then let's just connect it across. Right here, let's draw a line that's going to come across. Right here, we'll make a little rectangle shape for the front. I'll make a line that's going to come down and then over. And then same thing here. We're going to come down and over. Right here, we're going to make another little rectangle shape, a little bit skinnier. And this time we're just going to curve it down. And we'll do that same thing here. Let's just curve this down over here. Now starting above here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then same thing here, but this time we'll just curve down and we'll end it a little bit higher. Next we'll draw another line that comes here. And then one up here for some more detail. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and over. And we'll do that same thing here. We're going to go up and then over. Then we're just going to make a little curved line right here. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes down on each side. I'll curve it in. And then we'll just connect it across. Now let's kind of move back up here and work on the arms. We'll begin with the shoulders. Start by drawing a line that's going to curve down
and then it's going to come back. Do the same thing here. We're going to curve this down and then come back right up to here. This draw line is going to come down and then over. And same thing here. We're just going to go down and then bring it right over here. We'll make this line come out and we'll curve it down. Do the same thing here. We'll come out and then we'll just curve it down. We'll bring this up at an angle on each side. We're going to go pretty much straight up with each line. Then we'll come over and up. So we'll go over and then bring it up. We're going to draw a line that's going to go in and then over. So just go in and over. Then we're going to bring it up, kind of at an angle. And then I'm going to start here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come down and in. So we'll go down and then in. We'll draw a line down here and a line right down here. Now for the legs, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around and up. And we'll do that same thing here. We're just going to go down, bring it around and up. Draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up for the knee. And the same thing here, down, over, and then up, right for that knee. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down on each side. We'll do that same thing here. We're just going to come down, and then we'll come down here. Next, when you connect these lines, draw a sad face to connect them. I'll make this line go out. I'm going to bring it around and come right up to here. The same thing over here. We're going to go out. Let's bring it around and connect it up to here.
Now this is our basic shape of our Eggman mech. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details onto here. Now let's start on the shoulders. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to go over and then curve here. So right here we're going to go up, over, and then let's just curve straight up. We'll draw a line that's going to come down and over. Same thing here, we're just going to go down and over. Then we'll make another line that's just going to come straight down. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and we'll bring this line up. We'll draw a curved line on each side. And we will add a circle right here for some detail. I'm also going to put two little dots on each side just to make it look a little bit more mechanical. I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come straight up. Same thing here, we're going to go up and straight up. Then I'm going to draw a couple little lines right here, kind of by the fingers. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to go up at an angle, and then it'll go straight up. We'll go up at an angle, and then straight up. Right here, let's go up, over, and down. Same thing here, we're going to go up, over, and down. We'll draw another one right above it. Up, over, and down, up, over, and down.
Right here, let's make a line that comes over and let's go straight down. We'll go over and straight down. Starting here at the foot, we'll draw a line across, and one more right across here. Also make a line that comes down on each side, with a little black dot on each side as well. Just give it a little bit more of that mechanical look. Starting here, I'm going to make another little curve on the shoulders. And we'll just draw a little line over here, just for some detail. On the chest, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and over, down and over. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down. We'll make another curved line here. And then I'm going to come in here and just kind of put some little black dots in some different spots. This will just kind of give it more of that mechanical look for a little bit of detail. Draw another little line here and one more here. And on the mustache, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and down again. Down, over, and down. Do that same thing here. Down, over, down. Down, over, and down. And then we'll put some little dots on here. I'm going to draw a second curved line right by each eye. And then right here on the leg, let's just draw another line that comes down on each side. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Eggman mech suit from Sonic 2. And there you go. There is the Eggman mech robot from Sonic 2. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.